When most people think of the FDA, they think of medicines or food recalls. But the FDA also protects people from safe or misleading cosmetics. That's the C in the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. In September 2025, the FDA issued several warning letters for companies that make over-the-counter cosmetic products for serious violations, from unapproved or misbranded items to bacterial contamination and sterility problems. The FDA also cited 3 companies for failing a test for diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, toxic chemicals that can sneak into products when manufacturers cut corners or skip quality testing of ingredients. This comes as more than 20 children have died in India from cough syrup likely containing the same banned chemicals. That's why FDA enforcement matters, and why we believe the FDA's mission is so important. It prevents tragedies like those before they happen here. Every inspection, warning letter, and recall helps make sure the creams, serums, and personal care items on U.S. shelves are safe and honestly labeled. Learn more about how FDA oversight keeps consumers safe and what you can do to spot risky products at safemedicines.org.